What we make makes a world of difference. Designing and manufacturing software doesn't just allow us to see where we're going, it gets us there faster. Rewriting stories for communities, industries, ecosystems. These new stories, they're better, stronger, faster, safer, no longer just about what we make, but about how we can change the world. So for those dreaming up new stories to tell, we salute you. Those who have opened up every sport for everyone through smarter prosthetics design, we see you. Those reducing CO2 emissions through lighter, re-engineered aircraft components, thank you. Those keeping the world fed by improving the design of agricultural tools, keep at it. Those saving lives by making smarter medical devices, we applaud you. Those building safer, affordable housing in more efficient, sustainable ways, it all matters. For those making the unmakeable, don't ever stop. We are already changing the way new things are dreamed, designed, made. So the question is, how will we make the future together?